Hindi ba minadali yung pag-disburse ng disbursement voucher, pag-preview para ng cheque, pag-i-encash on the same day, 125 million pesos? Yes or no?
Dumaan po siya sa regular na proseso namin sa office, Your Honor.
Being vague again. Now, as the SDO and Project Accountable Officer, hindi po ba na yung pagmamadaling yan, ikaw yung nag-utos yan? Tama po ba?
Hindi po ako nag-utos, Your Honor.
Okay. Sino ang nag-utos sa inyo?
Basta gi-process po yun, Your Honor, on a regular processing po, Your Honor.
Ma'am, I think I have to repeat the question, Your Honor, because she did not answer the question. Minadali, may nag-utos, when asked sino nag-utos, sabi mo, hindi ikaw. I will ask this question again. Yung publiko are very much waiting for an answer. Sino ang nag-utos ng pagmamadali, ng pag-encash, ng checking yan, 125 million sa araw na yan?
Wala
Objection, Your
po,
Honor.
Your Honor.
Misleading.
Objection is sustained again,
Okay,
counsel.
now.
There's no basis. The pagmamadali did not come from the witness, counsel. It came from your question. She
Your
said
Honor, please.
it went through the regular process of their office. Whether
Yes.
the regular process of their office is that fast or whatever, it's up
Okay.
to her.